नमस्कार दोस्तों, welcome to my channel. This is the Monday prediction that is on 25 August 2025 for Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex, Fin Nifty, and Mid Cap Nifty. Friends, to incorporate some of the requests from my viewers, I am going to speak in English as well as in Hindi during the entire video presentation. If you have any suggestions, please comment. I'll incorporate those changes in the coming video. या विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम हम लोग एक बार देख लेते हैं फ्राइडे को हमारा मार्केट में क्या हुआ। और जो फ्राइडे नाइट है, लास्ट नाइट बहुत कुछ न्यूज़ फ्लोज चला। यूएस मार्केट बड़ा रैली किया। हम लोग चर्चा करेंगे सबके बारे में डिटेल में। आगे आगे चलते हैं। तो फ्राइडे का हमारा मार्केट का नज़रिया क्या था और हमने क्या डिस्कस किया था, कैसे मार्केट बिहेवियर रहा और मंडे के लिए हमारा हमारा क्या व्यू रह सकते हैं और ये सब देख लेते हैं। तो पहले मेरे एक टेलीग्राम चैनल है, and if you are not yet subscribed to that channel, please do subscribe. So it's a free channel but a private channel at this point. So if you look at the profit percentage in our group, so you can say that 45% of the people were in profit and only 23% were in losses, and most of the people, they made losses. It is due to the reversal trade, and some people, the SL has hit. So in the morning itself, my view was very clear. And if you have not seen the pre-market report, मैं डेली एक प्री-मार्केट रिपोर्ट वीडियो डालता हूँ और सुबह आ जाते हैं 8 बजे से पहले आ जाते हैं। उसमें मैंने क्लियरली बोल दिया था कि एफ पोजिशन जो रिटेलर का अल्ट्रा बुलिश था, तो मार्केट ऊपर टिकना नहीं था, तो उसको नीचे आना ही था। तो उसके ज़रिए मैंने बोला था आज मार्केट का जो सेंटिमेंट है वो बियरिश है। और मैंने ग्रुप में ये डाल दिया, जब मार्केट ओपन, ये 9-6 में डाल दिया। मार्केट ओपन होने से पहले मैंने अपना जो ग्रुप मेंबर्स को बता दिया आज आईटी स्टॉक्स और जो ऑटो सेक्टर का स्टॉक्स है वो वीक रह सकते हैं, और जो लोग स्टॉक ऑप्शन में ट्रेड करते हैं वो लोग देख सकते हैं। और मैंने बोला एक छोटा सा बाउंस का इंतजार करो, जैसे खुलते एक बाउंस आएगा उसके बाद इसमें शॉर्ट बना सकते हैं। और मैंने इसके बाद 935 में डाला कि फ्री फोल्ड in our market. So down next level is 960, and I've also given people that okay, keep strict SL trailing market is falling without any retracement. If Nifty cross above 860 and then exits from your shorts. So मैंने क्लियरली बता दिया अगर निफ्टी इसी लेवल को तक आएगा और तभी एक शॉर्ट से आप लोग एग्जिट करना है। एंड इफ यू लुक टुडे, सो मे बी आप बोल सकते हैं तुक्का तो नहीं है, तो मैंने पूरा चार्ट रीड किया, उसके बाद मैंने लिखा था कि 860, एंड इफ यू लुक एट द टुडेस लो इट्स अराउंड 860 ओनली। And for Bank Nifty, I said that Bank Nifty will be bearish under 55,000. तो पूरा दिन ये मैंने मैसेज डाला है 934 पे, तो पूरा दिन आप लोग देखेगा तो बैंक निफ्टी पूरा बेरिश साइड में ही रहा। और 935 में मैंने मैसेज डाला जो ऑटो सेक्टर और आईटी स्टॉक्स है, चाहे तो जो सेफ प्राइस है उसको फुली बुक आउट कर सकते हैं। उसके बाद आप राइट में आएगा तो मार्केट, मैंने बोला किस लिए मार्केट नीचे आया, तो बहुत बहुत सारे लोग बोल सकते हैं कि जो जीएसटी का जो लग्जरी टैक्स से बढ़ा दिया इसी की वजह से होगा वगैरह वगैरह, लेकिन वो सब बात नहीं था। मार्केट एग्जैक्टली फेल फॉर 3 reasons. One is that the earnings, there is a concern that okay, and there was a report published, and I've given that in my video in the Friday video. So there is a concern, at least the profit margin of the companies will be seeing a dent in the coming quarter. That is one of the reason. Then second was that all the emerging market fund houses, they are giving an underperform outlook for Indian markets. So in addition, so SEBI news on on reducing the weekly expiry and keeping it only for monthly, that also created some negativity. So basically, these are the three news. I mean, in my view, GST has to go do nothing with this because it is already reacted. And then again, I given us a message of Nifty taking support near 960, fresh shorts below this level only. Then I also mentioned a retracement should happen from this level और वो 25,000 तक जा सकते हैं और आप लोगों ने देखा होगा तो exactly market has taken a support from 960 and it has moved up to 25,000 around 25,000. Then from there once again it fell because it couldn't sustain at any level. Then I given a clear message to our group. जितना भी लोग लॉन्ग के लिए बैठना चाहता था और जो रिवर्सल ट्रेड के लिए मैंने बता दिया क्लियरली, डोंट बेट फॉर लॉन्ग्स टुडे unless some very big candles are not forming as a premiums may not increase. मैंने ये सब clearly बता दिया. And at the end I've given carry forward सोच समझ कर करना. Weekend और ये जैक्सन होल का जो इवेंट है बहुत बड़ा असर पड़ सकते हैं मार्केट के ऊपर मंडे को. तो एग्जैक्टली ये सब हुआ है. सो चलो हम लोग एक बार चार्ट देख लेते हैं और चार्ट कैसे बता रहे क्या बता रहे. ये निफ्टी के चार्ट है. सो लेट मी रिमूव ऑल दिस ड्राइंग्स. एक बार हम लोग मंथली का भी चार्ट देख लेते हैं. So if you look here monthly, so this you can see a good pattern here. So if you look here, it is trying to make an M pattern, but then for that M pattern, a market has to come at least up to 300, 25 300. अगर 25 300 तक मार्केट आते हैं और उसके बाद एक जो बेरिश कैंडल बनाते हैं, तो you can see a target up to at least I'm saying okay this one, so at least some 24,000 I'm saying okay 24,000 you can see. If it is it is coming here and making a red candle on a monthly basis, that will make an M pattern on a monthly basis. Now let us look at a 15 minutes chart and let us bring all the uh, candles back. Okay, so I'm just looking at the 15 minutes chart. If you see here in the 15 minutes chart, I already made this support level. It is coming around 850. So, so you can take that. Okay, 850 is the level for the support on Monday. If Nifty breaks below 850, then only consider shorts. And for longs, multiple levels are there. The first level is that if Nifty is able to cross above 930, consider a long. And the targets you keep shorter targets or trail stop losses. Then the next will be 960. Okay, some of the viewers recommended me to add the price labels. Okay, let me pick the price label and mark it for you guys. So I keep here, this is the level. So you can say 850 level. So I get little down. Yeah, automatically this is the level. Okay. Yeah, this is the level. 850. Roughly you take it as 850. On the upside level also. So if I wanted to make the upside level for, let me take the price tag and here the next level is coming here. Okay, so 930 is another level. Yeah, roughly it's coming 930. Okay, yeah, keep it is 930. Then one more level is 960. So let me take that. So 960 level, and the upper levels you can say here. Then there's again, once this is crossed, then you consider as a 25,000. It's it will act as a resistance, and when that is crossed again, 2530 will be the level to watch. And from there, you can go to 2560, then 25,100. So this is the way 70 and say here. So this as I mentioned, keep short targets, and from there you can consider 25,100. Okay, that's the levels for Nifty. And Monday, I think in my view, you can consider, it is a buy on dip kind of strategy. And I'll take a minute to explain you on what happened in the US in last night. So those who are not aware, what is a Jackson Hole meeting? So this is the central bank's annual conclave, and this is happening in Jackson Hole, Ohio. So and this is a very important event as far as the US market is concerned. So in this event, Powell ने बोल दिया कि वो नरम रह सकते हैं आगे जाके, तो रेट कट के लिए ये मार्केट ने बड़ा पॉजिटिव ले लिया, इसलिए आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि सारे जो इंडिसेस है यूएस में सब भाग गया. सो डाउ अराउंड 850 पॉइंट्स ऊपर भाग गया, दैट इज कमिंग अराउंड 180 1.89%. और ये रिकॉर्ड न्यू एटीएस बना दिया डाउ. सिमिलरली में जो नास्डाक है वो भी, उसमें भी आज एटीएच एस&पी सब एटीएस बना दिया. सो दैट क्रिएटेड ए बिग bullish bullishness in the market. Okay, bullish sentiment create हुआ है. ये सारे ग्लोबल मार्केट में ये सर्कुलेट हो सकते हैं. तो मंडे हमारा मार्केट का नजरिया, तो रिटेलर कुछ अल्ट्रा बुलिश पोजीशंस लेके गया, इसलिए एक डिप तो आना चाहिए, एंड वी कैन कंसिडर बाय द डिप स्ट्रैटेजी ऑन मंडे. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम, लेट अस टेक ए लुक एट द बैंक निफ्टी चार्ट as well. Bank Nifty has made a low of 55,100. Okay. So what will happen is that, so 55,100 is the low. Let me add a price label. So this is a level 55,100. Okay. Yeah. This is a level for shorting in Bank Nifty. So if Bank Nifty breaks below 55,100, then only consider shorts. On the higher side, the first level is, if you're seeing market is moving above 55,200, you can consider a long in Bank Nifty. 55,200. The upper levels you can go for, again, 260. It might take a minor resistance here. So thereafter, the upside is open. It can go up to 55,500. It can go to first 350. Yeah, 350. Then the next target can be 55,500. Okay. Yeah, so it is given a clear downside move. So I'll keep 55,500 as the next target here. Yeah. So then again, once market cross above 55,500, so this you can say that this is considered as bullish. Okay. And from there, the levels are open. It can go up to 55,800. So in my view, Monday Bank Nifty can be a good instrument for buying. Okay, so let us take a look at the mid cap Nifty. So mid cap Nifty, I think 50% of the mid cap Nifty shares were running in positive side, including the idea stocks and all Vodafone Idea. So that's the reason. So mid cap has not shown much, downfall. So the levels for what we discussed for the previous day, that is intact. So if I wanted to keep the levels here, mid cap just short below 900. Okay, so no change in that, short below 900. And the upside, first upside you can say it's 940, then it can go to 980, then ultimately 1320, and the levels are intact. Okay, so there's no change in the mid cap. Let us quickly look at the Sensex levels as well. Sensex also, it has fallen very badly. 81,200. Okay, 81,200 is the level to consider. So 81,200 के नीचे अगर सेंसेक्स ट्रैवल करना शुरू करते हैं, that is a first sign of weakness. And for longs, you can consider multiple levels. Okay, if it is taking support from 81,200, in my view, Sensex should open around 81,500 on Monday, around 81,500. Then there can be a dip up to 81,380 to 350 level, 81,400. So this is the level you can consider for a long. 81,400. From there, the targets are open. So then 81,500, then it can go up to 81,800. So the ultimate target is 82,000. I hope this is clear. Let us take a look at our finance Nifty as well. So Fin Nifty, if this is coming for a monthly expiry, and you can consider, the current this is a current week. It is same. It is it is a weekly expiry, and this is going to ये weekly expiry की तरफ काम करेगा. मेरे ख्याल से मंडे को फिनांस निफ्टी अच्छा मूव दे सकती है. तो बैंक निफ्टी एंड फिन निफ्टी अच्छा मूव दे सकते हैं मेरे हिसाब से. तो इसमें एक दो लेवल्स मार्क कर लेना. Support is coming at 300. Okay, support is coming at 300, and you can count. So if it is crossing 26,400, then it is considered as bullish, and you can see higher levels are 26,450, 26,550. So it can give a very good up move. So consider trading in Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty on Monday. So Monday the strategy will be buy on dip. So that's all in this video, friends. If you like this content, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye.